Hi everyone, this is Ayush Jaswal and I am making an explanation video of question 19 of our data science internal test 1, where we will see student collaboration analysis using discriminatory dissimilarity measures. Where the question is this, where we have a data set that contains a student ABC data and their gender, skills and their 4 skills, if they have it or not. So where P means 1 and N means 0 and gender is symmetric. Now first we will go. Now this is an old chart. Now understanding the data set, we have this chart and that question, that is 3 students. First A have M means male and B is female and student C is male. Now 4 symmetric binary skills where P is present and N is not present. Gender is symmetric where M male and female treated equally. So in first day we see contingency matrix. So we have both B for A and B and no for A and B, and where A equals to P and B is no and A is N but B is not P. So this we have found the chart where skill is 0 means it doesn't have that skill, and where both are P then skill third is 0, and if both are means A and B are P then skills is 0, and so on we do this. So we see that A versus C, we see an overlap of 0 0 1 1 means in skill 1 2 3 1 skill 1 and 0 is 2 0 and 1 skill 3 and 4 is 1, and overlapping of B versus C, we see that the skill 2 is 1 and skill 3 is 1 and rest of are 0. Now past part B of jacket results, where we have applied the jacket similarity to find this invariant using jacket. So we have seen that make the pair of AB and AC and BC, and where we have make the matches and mismatches. So A and B is matches to 2, and we see it A and C for 0.4 and B and C for 1. So let me clear it more so I can go there. Here B and C is matches 1, but 1 to 0 and 0 to 1 mismatches for 2, and so for jacket similarity we divide 1, we do 1 divided by 3 and get 0.33, and jacket similarity is 0.67. Now that images are not good, so I have pasted make this table for us, where we say non-variant simple matches. So you can see this mismatch count where A to B is 0 and SMC similarity means simple matching is 0, and A to C is mismatch 4 and SMC simple matches is 1, and B to C mismatch count is 2 and simple match is 0.5. Here we can see that same ranking but values differ because double zeros are now counted. Where part D of this question, we best and worst pairs, we can see that I have calculated also. This is the best, okay. And where we have A and B for dissimilarity is 0 in both measures. So worst collaboration pair is highest dissimilarity. A and C are dissimilarity is 1. This means B C is medium. And we in part E we include gender and analysis and re-evaluate compatibility. So we have pair AB, AC and BC. We see skill Jacquard for one, and where gender is same, then there is no skills for that. We recommend it to be best skill match but different gender. So from A to C we say yes, but we recommend it worst skill but same gender. And from B to C we see 0.33, that means gender is not same, but we see that medium skills but different gender. That's all we have understood from this data. This means where we go from A to B but the gender is not same, but the skill matches. And when we go to A to C we see worst skills but their gender is same. And we go to B to C, then we see that they have medium skills but have different gender. Now this is a summary table of all our slides, where AB have checkered dissimilarity 0 and simple matching as 0 SMC, and their gender is also different, and final rank is their first. And BC has 0.67 dissimilarity of Jacquards, and simple matching dissimilarity is 0.5, and their gender is also not same, but their final rank is second. And where AC dissimilarity is 1 for all both of methods, and their gender is same but it is worst case and there is worst skills. So we re-ranked suggestion with diversity wanted, best diverse strong pair A to B. And from this data I personally says that gender doesn't mean an equality, where in this we see the gender is same but the skills are worse. So we select the student rather on their skills rather than of gender. So there may be same gender student cannot give some right path. So we select a group that have skills rather than of gender. So the group can be of both male and female. That's all I have understand, and I try to understand you all. Now A and B have identical skill profiles, best collaboration pair. Jacquards is more suitable here because skills are asymmetric, including gender adds diversity dimensions. And final answer is AB 0.0, I can say 0, AC is 1 and BC is 0.67. We see best as AB and worst as AC, where gender is same, and AB is still best because they have perfect skill and gender diversity. AB have both genders and perfect skills according to all data sets. Thank you everyone. Our internal one part, all parts are completed and this series is completed. Thank you and hope you like it.